Hi, I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose of Raw Fusion Living. I'm here today for ehow.com to teach you how to make organic creamed coconut. We're going to start with some coconut milk that comes in a can. There's also the carton type, but the canned one is a little thicker and is going to work better for this particular recipe. I'm going to pour that into the blender, and to thicken it up, I'm going to use some shredded coconut. And to add, to make it even more of a creamy texture, I'm going to put in some coconut oil. Add a little pinch of salt, that blends all the flavors together. And we're going to add just a little bit of vanilla. And you can use that vanilla even if you're going to use this for savory recipes, and we'll talk about that in a moment after I've blended it. All right, so I'm going to blend it up. Just want to give it a chance for all of the shredded coconut to blend through. And we'll pour it in here. And you see how much thicker it's gotten just by adding those other ingredients. Now from here, you could have added some honey or palm sugar or another kind of a sweetener, and this would make a nice little pudding or like a little sauce for berries. That makes it a vegan, very rich sauce. Or this could be the base if you're making an Indian-based dish or a Thai-based dish. You can add some curry powder to this, or some peppers, some more salt, and then you have a savory version for the dishes that you would make a curry that would be based in coconut oil. So what we have here is organic creamed coconut, and I am Dr. Linda Joy Rose for ehow.com.